The present perfect. Continuous tense is a valuable tool in describing continuous building developments in architecture. This tense is used to express actions or events that started in the past and have continued up to the present moment. In the context of architecture,
it helps convey the idea of ongoing progress and evolution in the field of building design and construction. One example of the present perfect continuous tense in architecture is the construction of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. This iconic building has been in the process of being built since 2004 and is still undergoing continuous development to this day. Its unique design and innovative engineering solutions have captured the imagination of architects and engineers worldwide. The use of the present perfect continuous tense in describing the construction of the Burj Khalifa highlights the ongoing nature of the project and the dedication of the team involved in its creation. Another example is the revitalization of the High Line in New York City. This elevated park, built on a former railway line, has been undergoing continuous development since its opening in 2009. The use of the present perfect continuous tense in describing the transformation of the High Line emphasizes the ongoing effort to preserve and enhance this urban oasis in the heart of Manhattan. The constant evolution of this space reflects the dynamic nature of architecture and the importance of adapting to changing needs and trends. Furthermore, the redevelopment of the Battersea Power Station in London is a prime example of the present perfect continuous tense in action. This iconic industrial building has been undergoing continuous transformation since its closure in the 1980s. The use of the present perfect continuous tense in describing the redevelopment of the Battersea Power Station highlights the gradual evolution of the site into a vibrant mixed-use development featuring residential, commercial, and cultural spaces. The ongoing construction work on the site symbolizes the renewal and regeneration of this historic landmark. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a powerful tool in the field of architecture for describing continuous building developments. By using this tense, architects and designers can convey the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the built environment. The examples of the Burj Khalifa, the High Line, and the Battersea Power Station demonstrate how this tense can be used to capture the ongoing evolution of architectural projects and the innovative solutions that drive the industry forward.